Hey guys, Katie here. So I'm back. Hello. It feels like forever since I've sat down in front of the camera and filmed an actual video, but here I am. Hope you guys have been doing well, and I hope you guys all enjoyed my last video. If you haven't seen it yet, go check out the link in my bio. It was a what I do after work everyday video, kind of like a, I don't know, a routine of some sort. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to do an unboxing of, drumroll please, the FabFitFun box. Say that 3 times fast. FabFitFun. FabFitFun. I'm not very good at it. Anyways, I've been wanting to try out this box for a long time, and I was able to partner with FabFitFun to do this video, and I'm so excited to show you what's inside this box. So FabFitFun just released their fall editors box, which I'm going to assume is the box that I'm opening today. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, basically it's a seasonal subscription box full of full-sized beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products that comes 4 times a year. So each box is worth over $200, but you're only going to pay $49.99 for each box. And yeah, that's a steal. I'll probably mention this a few more times, but you could use the code MK10 to get $10 off of your first FabFitFun box. So sign up today so you don't miss out on customizing your products. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get into talking about what's in this box. I mentioned this earlier in the video, but this is the Fall Editors Edition box, so it's obviously the one for this season, the season of fall, the season that is right now, the season that is my favorite. Ooh. First thing I see when I open this box is a literal magazine. It's not super thick, but it actually looks like a magazine. It's the FabFitFun magazine, and it has all kinds of cool, valuable things inside of it, including an article on 5 ways to boost your workout. So yeah, that's pretty cool. First up, we've got the Apothecare Essentials Rose Hip Oil Geranium Aloe Vera Shampoo and Conditioner, and then the Vanilla Argan Oil and Sweet Almond Shampoo and Conditioner. So these are like samples of them. That's what those look like. So I'm going to read a little excerpt that the Apothecare Essentials comes with. It says, drawing inspiration from nature, Apothecare Essentials crafts custom solutions for hair using advanced modern science. Each shampoo and conditioner formula was created using phyto extraction, I hope that I said that right, I probably didn't, technique to harness the core, there's a bug in here, are you kidding me? To harness the core essence of each plant, providing your hair with optimal results. I haven't mentioned this yet, but the total retail value of this box is $289 to $315.95, depending on the selection. So that means that if you were to get this, you would only pay $50, but you're getting over $300 worth of stuff. The very next thing that I see in this box are these Glam Glow bubble sheets, and I've wanted to try out Glam Glow for so long. I am ecstatic right now. Watch the mask activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. I will be using these very soon. Another skincare product in this box is the Skin Iceland Nordic Skin Peel. This is a little jar of those like cotton pads, and it's soaked in a skin peel of some sort, and you use them 3 to 5 times a week. And I'm excited to try these out. I've never seen anything like this before. At first I thought it was like a bunch of like peel kind of clunked together, and then I realized it's a bunch of like pads and they're layered on top of each other. Next is this Spongelle Body Buffer in Frisia Pear. So the description for this one says, cleanse and moisturize from neck to toe with this body buffer. The exfoliating massage texture of the sponge changes to a soft, silky one as you squeeze it. This is something I will use a lot because I take baths every night almost. I mean, I obviously shower too, but like I love to just like lather myself up in a bubble bath, and I also self-tan, so I feel like this is something that'll be good to exfoliate my self-tanner off. It's in the shape of a flower. I could smell it through the plastic that's wrapped in. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. I just want to like start showering right now. That would be inappropriate though. But yeah, one of these little sponges that you get wet and it gets soft, and then it has like body wash inside of it already. You're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. What is this? Oh, hand cream. I'm into that. I like moisturization. Alright, so this is the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, and it says experience the wonders of the Dead Sea. No passport required. Huh, that's funny. The Mineral Rich Hand Cream this Mineral Rich Hand Cream instantly improves skin's moisture levels, smoothing, rough, dry skin, and restoring suppleness. This is $33. Forgot to mention that Sponge Gel thing was $16, and so this is $33. That's a steal. I get a whole bottle of this. So I actually don't have any hand cream at all right now. I have like body lotion, but I needed a hand cream because my hands get so dry and like cracked in the wintertime. Do my hands look more beautiful now? Oh, why did no one tell me my necklace is messed up? Why didn't you guys tell me? Damn. I've been eyeing this next one since the moment I opened this box because I love things like this. It's a sleep mask from Free People. Free People is like a really great brand, and I'm just excited to even be holding this in my hands right now. It is the Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye. This vegan leather eye mask features removable non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable strap offers a comfy fit while the charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. This is worth $40, and you can put a cold insert inside of it and essentially depuff your eyes. That's awesome, and I would even use it as a sleep mask, you know, when I take naps during the day, and then when I wanted to depuff my face for when I'm traveling and things like that, I would use it the way it's supposed to be used. But yeah, that's special, and I got the mint green one. It's really pretty. Next up, we have the Earth 2Y ring. I hope I'm saying that right. This is a 14 karat gold plated ring that features 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls. I've never had real pearls before. It's $55. Let's open it up and take a closer look. So this is just a beautiful, very unique ring that does have those pearls on it. I'm gonna try it on. I don't wear rings very often, so this is exciting. That's pretty. You can wear it that way, or you can wear it this way. And it fits me. That's wonderful. No, I really am gonna keep this on my fingers because it kind of feels cool, and I always feel really put together when I have rings on. Does anyone else feel that way? Because I just don't wear rings very often. So yeah, thank you FabFitFun. That was a good one. I love that one. Everything in here is amazing. I love the convenience of this box, and it kind of reminds me of basically getting to experience Christmas 4 times a year, because it's like a box of goodies right to your doorstep, and you don't really know what's inside until you open it. So it's always going to be a surprise. The last thing in this box is this Summer and Rose Brittany tote in navy. So I'm going to open it up and show you all. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this big. It was folded up so much. Oh, how cute. That is adorable. I love bags. I don't know if you guys know this about me. I'm purse and bag obsessed. I buy a new purse like literally every month. I don't know why. So I am loving this. I could use it for work. I could use it if I'm headed to the gym. Super cute. One thing I love in particular about the Fall Editor's Edition FabFitFun box is the items inside are all from companies that are female founded, so it's girl power to the max. And also, I will give my genuine, honest opinion after I've opened these items. I think that if you're doing this for yourself 4 times a year, $50 is absolutely nothing. It's so worth it. If you have that extra money to be spending, why not do it when you're only gonna lay down 50 bucks for over $200 to $300 worth of stuff? So use that code MK10 to get $10 off your first box. The link will be below for that. Thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video and giving me the opportunity to show all of you guys, my amazing viewers, the contents of the Fall Editor's Edition of this box. And I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video. I really love doing these sort of things. Just kind of doing unboxings in general is just super fun. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching. I love you all. See you next time. Check out the links below to get more information on FabFitFun. Bye everyone.